Man, we in here, I'm supposed to be a franchise player, and we talking about practice. Not a game. Listen, not a game. Not a game. We talking about practice. Not a game. We talking about practice. And for those of you who don't know what this is for, I got a little guy named Wavy Kid Kev, who called me out and said that I can't cut coarse hair.
Dre, I want to smoke, Dre. Coarse hair. Doing these videos, you're putting out some content all the time. I just don't think you're doing it. I just don't think you're doing it, bro. You know?
So you know what I had to do. I had to come back with the pressure. And this isn't the only time he's called me out, man. He called me out on a lineup challenge. I killed that, and now he's calling me out again. So that's what this is for. We're gonna go ahead and roll the clip. Let's get it. Sir, go ahead and check it out. Wavy Kid Kev, bro, again, like for real, again, you already did this, bro. You called me out with the lineup challenge. Now you over here talking about I can't cut coarse hair. Bro, listen, let me come closer. Bro, I'm really like that for real. I keep that thing on me at all times, no matter the hair texture. You, on the other hand, I don't know, bro. All I really see you cut is coarse hair, bro. Holla at me when you can cut, you know, some diversity. Maybe some straight hair, some Hispanic curly hair. Holla at me, all right? I see you out here. You a youngin', you grinding. I respect it, right? You on the come up. But I'm really like that, bro. Chill out, all right? Chill out. You know what though, Kev? I gotta give it to you, bro. I really do, man. Cause you know what? You tried. You did. You tried. And I respect it. But next time you call out my name, put some respect on it, my boy. Put some respect on it. So like I said, that's my challenge to you. Alright? All I see you do is coarse hair. Alright, so if I'm gonna challenge you back, man, do a straight hair challenge. Let me see all your straight haircuts. And then, you know, maybe we could talk. Maybe we could talk. I can't believe it, bro. This little dude got me in here talking about practice. Like, dude, you thought this was a challenge, bro? It's little kid things, man. Get in my face with that. But YouTube family, I need a favor. All right, your boy was nominated for a Grammy. Yes, I said a Grammy, a barber Grammy at the CT Connecticut Barber Expo. And I need your vote. All right, so I'm gonna show you exactly how to cast your vote. So what I need you to do is open up Google. I'm sure most of you guys know how to get there. And then you're gonna type in CT Barber Expo, just like right here at the top. And then you're gonna press on the website, let that load. Press the 3 tabs at the top, and you're gonna go to Grammy nominees. All right, so when you go to Grammy nominees, that's gonna load. You wanna go under creative content and press vote now. Now the creative content is for the barber who has the best creative content of the year. And when you open it, I'll be the first one at the top. So you're gonna go ahead and press vote now. And then you're gonna type in all your information. In this case, it's me, obviously, with your email. Let's pretend that went through, and then you're gonna go right here and press J Clipper Hands and press submit, man. That's all you guys have to do. Listen, I need your vote. It would mean the world to me if I can get this award. I appreciate all the support and love you guys have given me this far, but I need this favor, man. Again, go to ctbarberexpo.com and vote J Clipper Hands for creative content of the year. But fam, like always, I appreciate you, and I will catch y'all next time. Peace.